Welcome to the new Mate Customer Portal, the most comprehensive cloud-based system to manage your tooling library and purchase history information. In this video, we'll demonstrate the main functions, including how to configure new tooling assemblies, search order history to order replacement parts, review progress of open orders, search and download CAD files for special shapes, assemblies, and press brake tooling, and download invoices with links to tracking. So let's get started. Log in using your email address as your username. Then enter your password. The first page is your customer profile. This page provides information about you, your company, and your service subscriptions. If you're responsible for multiple companies, use the drop-down to select between them. Use the left navigation bar to select the functions you need. The first function is to configure orders for new tooling. Select New Order in the left navigation bar. When the New Order application starts, you're ready to configure your first parts. As you will see, the portal point-and-click leverages the extensive configuration engine to assist you to select the correct items. In this first demo, we're going to order the standard trump punch, stripper, and die set. Select the trump icon. Select US, Canada, Mexico. Products outside North America are a little different. Select your machine. Narrow the search to your tool style. Select your station. Select items you want to order. Select your shape, select your clearance, enter your size, select Ready to Configure, and Add to Toolbox. Note that all three items are added to the toolbox. Now let's add another die with 12 thousandths clearance. Select die. Notice that the size remains the same. Select your clearance, Ready to Configure, and Add to Toolbox. In this next demo, we will add a standard shape for thick turret. Select the thick turret icon, select your tool style, Alter Tack, select your station, 1.25" or B station. Note that there are multiple configurations. When you select the Ultra with round guides, round is the only shape. When you select Ultra with a shape guide, all shapes are shown. Select your shape, select your clearance, enter your size, select Ready to Configure. If you inadvertently enter a size that won't fit, it'll warn you, so just go back and change the size. Select Ready to Configure again. Now let's add Supermax to your punch. Select Finalize and Add, select the Punch tab, select Configure Options. Find the coding/treatment. The standard punches are without coding. Select the drop-down to select Supermax, click Accept, then save and exit to save the changes to your punch. Select Add Items to Toolbox. Notice that the configuration engine adds the required items to the toolbox. You can modify any of the items here before exporting to the cart. When you export to the cart, the application moves the configured items to the cart and closes the configuration application. You may view the items in the cart by clicking the icon in the top right-hand corner. We'll demonstrate how to process the order in the next section. The next function is purchase history. There are two options, order history and parts history. We'll look at order history first. This section shows a list of every order that was placed by your company. To search, select the column, enter your search term, and select Go. Click the X to cancel the search. To sort, click on a heading, enter Scroll or Sort. Once you've found the order, click on the order reference number to view the items in that order. Scroll through the parts. Use the Add to Cart icon. More about that later. Use the red X to close. The Actions function allows you to add more lines or columns to the view. Here's an example of how to add the customer's PO number to the view. Actions. Select Columns. Select Customer PO. Select the arrow icon and apply. The next function is parts history. This lists every line item that purchased history by your company in the past few years. Just like the order history, you can search and sort using a variety of tools. For example, search a shape, then filter a column, then sort a column, and then scroll through the lengths available. Click the X to remove any of the filters not needed. Again, the Action button allows you to add many more searchable columns or rows at your convenience. Once you have identified the parts to reorder, you can select the Add to Cart icon. You'll see the item count increase in the top right-hand corner. Continue adding items until you're ready to check out. To check out, click the Cart icon. The contents in your cart will be displayed. You have three options: empty your cart, update the price, or next. Select the Update Price to refresh the current prices of the items. Please note, items that require a manual price calculation by our customer service team will be marked with 0 and will be updated during the quote to order process. Adjust the quantities as needed. Select Next. You now have two options: request a quote or place an order. Both work the same. Enter your PO number here. Select Request a quote or place an order. You will receive an on-screen confirmation that your request was submitted. You can close the window. Our customer service team will process your request, including any items that require additional attention. They will email you a quote or order confirmation during normal business hours. The next function is to review open orders. View the list of your open orders. Observe the % complete. Select the specific order to review the status of each order on that item. The next function is Product Drawings. This section provides a complete, comprehensive archive of every special shape, special assembly, or custom press brake tooling assigned to your company. All three tabs work the same. Just like the purchase history screens, this screen can be sorted, searched, or filtered. Once you have identified the tool, you can download any of the files associated with that tool, including a PDF or DXF. You can mark it as a favorite, or you can assign your own reference to the specific tool, such as a tool number or customer name. This record will be saved as you navigate away from the screen. The final function is Invoices. This section provides a list of every invoice that was sent to your company, and you can sort, search, or filter any other like other screens. Simply click on the red box to download the relevant invoice. This concludes the brief outline of your new Mate Customer Portal. As you have seen, this is the most comprehensive cloud-based system for your managing your tooling library or purchase history. For more information, contact your Mate customer service representative or your Mate sales engineer. Thank you.